Welcome friends. Today we are going to see about the second part of the quizzes. How can we create a quiz? Last video we are created a quiz, two quizzes, that is cytology and photosynthesis. If you not watch the video, just watch the video which is in the comment section. I gave the link in the description, just go with it and watch the first part. Now we are going to the second part. Here I already created two quizzes. Now I am going to conduct the quiz. For that I log in once again with mobile or with the help of a laptop or computer. I am going to live quiz. If I click live quiz, it asking classic. Just click classic and continue. After giving continue, it give a code 922145. Each and every time it generate a new code, so not necessary to copy anything. Just ask your students going to join myquiz.com and enter 922145. Okay, I will show you. I will join with another option. Now I ask the students to join in this quiz. Join myquiz.com. You can ask the students to join my quiz with their mobile, tablet or any computer lab also you can use for this. I ask the students to join with this code. Okay, the students will enter the code. Nine double two 145. Join. If they give, you ask the students to write their name. Okay, now you can see one student is joined, Rajesh. Now what you can do, you can ask the students everyone to join the quiz, then you just click start now. After that the students are able to do the questions with their mobile. If they click the right answer, you can see the percentages came 100%. All the one has conducted or completed the test. You can click end. You can see who will be the first rank. Like that, number of students are participated means who is first, who is second, who is third. Like that you can get all the data. Just click next, click exit. Here you can find the report also. See, you can click the download button. You can get an Excel. That Excel show the complete result and analysis of the test. So see the overview. Only 1% is participated, correct answer. Then participations, only Rajesh will be is the only student. If number of students are there means you can see all the students with their percentage, how many time they take, each and every question analysis, everything you can get. Okay, just try this quizzes. If you have any doubt, please make a comment. I will help you. I hope this video is very useful for you. Instead of going with the paid version just like Kahoot, you can go with that quizzes. It also some limitations, but in most of the case you can use for an unlimited number of students with unlimited number of questions. Same thing, you can copy number of questions from someone else who created. I hope the video is useful for you. Thank you. Share with your friends.